Hi everyone, in front of me I've got iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the apps. They should be on the third position. Now let's scroll down and enter special app access. Scroll on again and find install unknown apps. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just tap on the specific app and tap on the switcher. From now on, since this option is active, the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher. And you can see that the Chrome is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.